I can't give you a statistical number, but there are many, many words in that no one has any idea what they mean. Not a single idea. Even the Iranian native speakers, very great scholars and everything, these are lost words. These are lost words. And we're guessing from context, which is what you normally do as a child or even as an adult. Lost words. You can guess from what it might mean given its use. So that's the best they can do. One finds similar words across a wide range of languages. It's not hard. These are lost words. And then there's another one, perhaps more interesting one, and that is that the language is actually related to another language. And these two words are like family heirlooms that have come down from some kind of remote ancestor. And as they differentiated through time, people drifted apart, lost contact, reformed an identity of a new sort, and the original identity was probably forgotten. You can explain the Indo-European form. Pa in those is down, ho is to fall, and it's only used for fire that is ignited by lightning descending from the sky. And we can only retrieve it. We can actually go back in time with the comparative method and retrieve lost worlds. Retrieve lost worlds. Lost belief systems, lost languages. These are lost words. Retrieve lost worlds. These are lost words. And even try to locate these in certain zones, certain places. Fire that is ignited by lightning descending from the sky. These are lost words. Lost belief systems, lost languages. And so these two words, it may be borrowings, but there's also a possibility that we're looking at some very ancient links. The mother tongue of so many languages of Eurasia, Europe, and Iran, India. A small little bunch in the Caucasus. And the latest thing is that the geneticists have said, yes, this is where Indo-European began.